Hello and welcome to another project update. So, today I created a door. As far as I can tell, it seems to work. Let me show you. It's based on the same code as the other doors. In fact, it quite literally is the same script. Although I did make a few minor changes to kind of take certain things into account that I don't really want to get into. Alright, so if I stand in front of it and press spacebar, yeah, you walk through the door. To the other side. Yeah, there's definitely some things that I kind of want to fix. Same issue as last video. There were, yeah, like you can see the map kind of yeah, it disappears when you're not. The parts of the map disappear that you're not in disappear. That is technically kind of like what should happen, but it shouldn't happen in the way that it's happening. And actually, I think I built a system that is a bit technically redundant because I think Godot engine has a room and door system that I could probably use. Yeah, it's got room group, room manager, and okay. So yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out how all that stuff works and incorporate it into this level because I do think that it's good that pieces of the level disappear when you're not in them, but it definitely shouldn't happen in the way that it's been happening in the game. Like you should be able to see the door, the stuff that's on the other side of the door as it's closing, right? I do like what's going on so far, where it's like the camera snaps behind the player's shoulder as he opens the door, and then goes to the other side, does the same thing after when the door closes. It's very Zelda-esque, which is what I'm going for. Oh yeah, I also made some animation for the player. Very basic. I basically just took the idle animation, added some frames to the walk animation, and then fade back into idle. And that's literally just the whole thing for when the player walks through the door. Uh, and then of course I made this door, like the actual door model. And then the sound effects for the door are stuff that I already had in the project. I just repurposed for it. I think this thud could probably be replaced with a different sound effect. I don't really like it that much. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Also, there's this other issue, kind of a minor. Actually, it's a pretty major issue. I'm not sure it's a bug or whatever, because I don't think it's a problem with my code. It's a problem with the animation system in the engine that I'm not sure if it's ever going to get fixed. And it might be just a problem of me setting things up wrong. But I'm not sure if I can really demonstrate it for you, but all right, so my game is set up so that most of the animation stuff is controlled through this tree, this animation tree here, and then I made it so that one shot stuff is done directly through the animation player. I'm not entirely sure if that's the best way to do it, but the reason I did it is because I want to be able to take advantage of the animation finished signal, which doesn't exist on the animation tree. I'm not sure how I would even listen for one shot animations. I made this change months ago, by the way, and I think that so far it was a good decision, but that issue with the root motion not resetting, it looks kind of like if I have an animation that moves the player off center, like this, what happens is unless the unless the same animation moves the player back onto the root the 0 0 position, he stays in that position until another animation is played through the animation player, not the animation tree, the animation player that puts him back in the in the origin point 0, 0, 0. And I'm actually not really sure how to approach solving this. I checked the documentation. There's nothing about this, and I'm not sure if it's even covered anywhere where you like use both of these systems simultaneously. But yeah, unless someone can tell me of a way I can listen for like something similar to animation finished within the animation tree node, I'm gonna be stuck with this for a while until I find an alternative solution. And here you can see an attempt to fix that. This is well, it's what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to take the root motion of the or the root node of the armature skeleton, the animation skeleton, and just force it to 0. It doesn't work. You can see it's playing, I think, but it's not it's not zeroing out. Hold on. All right. You know, it'd be real cool. It'd be really cool if I like solved it by accident, like right now. No, no. Unfortunately, yeah, it's just gonna be like that for a little bit. I'll find a way to fix it. Don't worry about this. I just need to figure out how. All right. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.